Welcome to Innovative Foods. Today I am sharing a fluffy vanilla cake with a beautiful cocoa pattern. Soft crumb, light sweetness, and perfect texture made without an oven. Let's start the recipe. Take 2 eggs and beat for 1 minute. Add half cup sugar gradually and beat until the sugar completely dissolves. Pour in 1/3 cup oil. Beating eggs properly creates a fluffy cake texture. 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Vanilla is one of the most loved cake flavors worldwide. Mix well. Sieve 1 cup flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Always sieve dry ingredients for a light crumb. Add to the batter. Mix gently after adding flour to keep air intact. Pour 1/4 cup milk and mix gently to get a smooth batter. Remove 2 tablespoon batter into 2 bowls. Add half teaspoon cocoa powder in one bowl and 1/4 teaspoon cocoa powder in the other. Mix well and pour both into piping bags. Grease oil in a 6-inch mold and place baking paper. Pour the vanilla batter. Create patterns using the light cocoa mixture. And make borders using the dark cocoa mixture. Cocoa pattern enhance both look and taste. Place a pan with a wire stand and preheat for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Cook the cake for 30 to 35 minutes on medium-low heat. Cool before slicing. Homemade cakes avoid artificial preservatives. Controlled sugar makes it lighter than bakery cakes. Eggs provide protein and structure. Oil keeps the cake moist without heaviness. Your fluffy vanilla cake is soft, moist, and beautifully patterned. Serve it fresh with tea or coffee. Try this recipe at home and share your experience. Follow Innovative Foods for more easy home baking recipes.